If we're seeking solutions through more bureaucratic tape, more regulations that do not really add value as far as safety, all we're doing is handicapping the future of U.S. energy without any associated benefit as far as safety. So that's the challenge for the U.S. government agencies. How do they balance the safety provisions of the future, the intelligent, proper ideas in making the future exploration and development safe, and at the same time not handicap it in such a way that it becomes a burden. I think it's doable. It's going to take a dialogue between industry and the government agencies. And right now, in my opinion, the pendulum has swung too far to the defensive mode, where the government is taking a very aggressive posture with respect to regulations that do not necessarily have the true safety component in it. It's more regulatory. It's not properly balanced at this point. Globally, and particularly for the US, it's equally true. We waste 61% of the total energy. And when you look at even more specifically at oil, only 13% of oil is converted to useful energy. So that's a phenomenally inefficient number, and at the same time, it's a phenomenally exciting number because it gives us hope for the future in coming up with much more efficient ways of extraction, number one, and number two, in far more efficient ways of consumption. So it creates an opportunity, a theater for efficiency in technologies, in new business ventures, new ideas, and new ways of making energy efficient. So it's good for the consumers going forward, but it's also going to make the energy arena far more competitive because companies in different parts of the energy mosaic, such as gas, oil, shale, wind, the renewables, including nuclear energy, they all have to compete now in this new competitive environment against one another. For the last 30 years, we're talking about running out of oil, running out of energy, which is the very foundation of the peak oil theorists. And what has happened now, we have entered a new era. Finally, the realization is coming in that the world is not running out of oil and the world is not running out of energy. So all of a sudden, the discussion now is shifting to something else, as to what forms of energy would be the most attractive to the consumers of the 21st century. That's becoming the preeminent question. And embedded in that statement is the fact that the new era is defined more by peak demand, i.e., the consumers, than peak oil, which is planet's resources. So that's a very, very healthy change for the future. The consumers are going to make the ultimate choices, and those choices are going to favor, obviously, economic parameters. You have to provide energy at the cheapest cost. And the other component that's going to become a key determinant in the choice of consumers would be the environmental harmony component. Any energy that you bring to the market today has to be far more environmentally harmonious than in the past.